Generative AI and code, how software engineering will be transformed. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming many industries, and software engineering is no exception. Generative AI, in particular, has the potential to revolutionize code development and accelerate software development processes. In this video, we will explore the basics of generative AI, its applications in code generation, the benefits of using it in software engineering, the challenges and limitations, and future directions in this field. The basics of generative AI. Before diving into the specifics of generative AI, it is important to understand the basics of machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks to process and analyze large amounts of data and learn complex patterns. Generative AI for code generation. Code generation is the process of automatically generating source code from a high-level programming language. Generative AI tools can assist developers in this process by automatically generating code based on the developer's specifications. This is particularly useful for repetitive coding tasks, such as creating user interfaces, database schemas, or boilerplate code. There are several generative AI tools for code generation, including Hugging Face's Code Transformer, which generates code snippets based on natural language descriptions, and OpenAI's Codex, which can generate complete code based on user inputs. Benefits of generative AI for software engineering. Generative AI offers several benefits for software engineering, including improved efficiency, increased code quality, better collaboration, and reduced costs. By automating repetitive coding tasks, developers can focus on more complex and creative aspects of software development. Generative AI tools can also help ensure that code is consistent and adheres to best practices. Moreover, generative AI can facilitate collaboration between developers, enabling them to work more effectively in teams. This can be particularly useful in remote work environments or for teams working across different time zones. Finally, the use of generative AI can reduce costs by automating repetitive tasks and freeing up developers' time to focus on more complex and value-adding tasks. Challenges and limitations of generative AI for code generation. While generative AI offers many benefits for software engineering, there are also several challenges and limitations. One of the main challenges is the need for quality data. Generative AI tools require large amounts of high-quality data to train effectively, and the lack of such data can limit their effectiveness. Additionally, generative AI tools can be seen as a black box, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their outputs. This can be problematic for developers who need to understand how the generated code works or how to modify it. Future directions of generative AI for software engineering. Despite these challenges, generative AI is poised to play an increasingly important role in software engineering. One potential future direction is the use of generative AI in software testing. Generative AI tools could be used to generate test cases and automate the testing process, reducing the need for manual testing and improving software quality. Another potential future direction is the use of generative AI in software maintenance and updates. Generative AI tools could be used to automatically identify and fix bugs or generate code to implement new features or updates. Finally, the integration of generative AI with other software engineering tools, such as version control systems or integrated development environments, IDEs, could further improve efficiency and collaboration in software development. Conclusion. Generative AI has the potential to transform software engineering by automating repetitive coding tasks, improving code quality, facilitating collaboration and reducing costs. While there are challenges and limitations to the use of generative AI for code generation, future directions in this field, such as its use in software testing and maintenance, hold great promise for the future of software engineering. As generative AI tools continue to evolve and improve, we can expect to see them play an increasingly important role in the development of software applications.